Welcome traders, this is Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about today's trades with the Trading123 opening range breakout strategy. Market's been on fire recently due to world concerns, war, interest rates, inflation. So you have a wider range market, which means price action, instead of the ES being in, say, a 10-point range, we're in 20 and 30-point ranges. So plenty of opportunity to take advantage of the price action with the opening range breakout strategy. Here we're trading the ES. Basically, we trade 3 contracts each day with it. And due to the wider range, I upped the goal to $800 instead of $500. And as you see, the market opens up here, loses support, it gets short, hits its 1, 2, 3 targets, and hits our max daily gain minus commission. And we get $762 net profit on this trade. So it's a very powerful strategy when the market is moving in one direction. Usually the sell-off is quick and the goal is hit and the trade is done and booked profits, and it's often a one and done day. What's wrong with making $700, $800, or even $500 a day? $500 a day is $10,000 a month. So do the math. So let's look at the strategy performance for this trade. And here we go. There's a total net profit, $762, commission $12. I made 3 trades, all short, 100% winner. Average trade 254, largest winning trade 408. Potential gain per month, like I said, on a 30-day basis, NinjaTrader calculates over 23K. And that's a live trade in the market, live as it happened, no back test bullshit. It's a very simple strategy to use. You pretty much just select how many contracts you want to trade. There's no restrictions on the contracts or profit goal. Select your profit goal, select your loss, select your profit targets. Very simple. ES, whatever the first profit target is, we usually times it by 2. So if you're going for 12 ticks, it's 12, 24, 36. Simple math. Going for 8 ticks, 8, 16, 24. Can't get any easier than that. And that's the way we do it. So let's look at our next trade in crude oil. Now here's our crude oil trade. And this was on a Friday here, May 20th, 2022. And like I said, crude has been in a wider range, so we're going instead of for a $500 profit on this day, because of prior action on the previous day, we went for a $1,000 goal. And we almost hit it on 3 contracts. So here's the breakout. 3 contracts, first profit target hit, second profit target hit, third profit target. Our stop got in the way right here. As you see, these red lines right here, the trail stop's moving up with it. And so we need to adjust our stop a little bit because it did continue higher almost to the 233 fib level. And then it reversed, and this would have been a nice short to the downside. So we got $806 profit on this trade, minus commission, a little shy. And these trades are quick. This trade lasted less than 10 minutes, and our goal is done. So let's look at our strategy performance. And there's our strategy performance, 806 total net profit, 0 losses, commission 1356. Sharp ratio above 10 is excellent. 3 trades all longs. Largest winning trade $355, and the potential gain on a 30-month basis 30-day basis, 24K. So our last trade, each day we usually trade the ES, the YM, and crude oil. And our last one is on the YM because that's usually a slower mover. So here's our YM trade, and the YM is usually a slower mover and takes a while to break out or break down. Here it broke down after 10 a.m. and it sold off, and once it gets in a trend it falls fast and basically sells off to our fib level, but we had hit our profit target of 500 minus commission. So the strategy plots this on the chart, puts the green line on to let you know that the trade is over, and that's the way it's done. Now, like I said, typically the YM is a slower mover, so it, the ES in crude oil move a little faster than the slow-paced YM, and so that's why you have earlier breakouts. And in the trading manual in videos, we give you step-by-step instructions on how to trade these, which ones to trade, which one's the best. The NQ is, pretty fast ripper, so we don't, usually trade it each and every day. But you can. We prefer the slow action of the YM for a steady trend down, and the same with the ES in crude oil. They get into nice trends and the trends last longer. In the NQ, it's ping pong trading, bounce up, bounce down, bounce up, bounce down, bounce up. So you got to find out what works for you, and these three have been working quite well. So let's look at the strategy performance. And there you have it, 487, commission 12, profit factor 99, which is excellent. Sharp ratio 9.63, excellent. Average trade 162, largest winner 205, potential gain per month on a 30-day basis 14,800. So that's the opening range breakout strategy from Trading 123. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here for more trading tips. And these patterns pretty much repeat each day. And basically they were the same patterns that happened on Thursday on the 19th in that video. So make sure you watch that one too. And be sure to sign up for our social media accounts with Facebook and Twitter for latest updates and postings of our trades. So hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.